Tesla is not just a car. It begins as an idea, engineered through innovation, precision, and technology. This is how Tesla is built. Every revolution begins with a single thought. For Elon Musk, that thought was simple: to change the future of transportation. An idea alone is not enough. It must be executed with precision, discipline, and purpose. But Tesla does not begin on the factory floor. It begins in the mind of Elon Musk, with a vision to reinvent the automobile. A vision that demanded innovation, precision, and courage to challenge a century-old industry. That vision moves into reality inside one of the most advanced manufacturing systems on Earth. Every Tesla is built around an intelligent electrical architecture designed for performance and safety. Precision wiring forms the backbone of the vehicle. From battery power to smart sensors, technology defines every decision. Each unit is tested for efficiency and safety. Sensors give Tesla its intelligence, from navigation to autonomous awareness. Every system is tested before moving forward. Nothing is left to chance. Mechanical components are carefully inspected. Quality control defines the final build. The body is painted with robotic precision. Design meets perfection. After countless checks, a Tesla earns its identity. This is not just transportation. This is the future. This is Tesla, driven by innovation. Innovation never stops. USA Focus, documenting the future.